How to make Excel stop converting numbers to date. First of all, go ahead and open the Excel application, then tap on your ongoing project or initiate new one. Once your workbook is opened, all you have to do is select your desired cell range or just select any of these rows or columns and cells. Once you're done, all you have to do is go to the Home tab from here. Tap on this arrow option and make sure that you are in this Home. From here, find the number format. Once you're in this number format, all you have to do is click the drop-down menu over here. Click the drop-down menu if you are on PC, or simply tap on this number format option, then select this text option. Once you do so, type your numbers and they will stay exactly as entered. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.